Meeting and greeting, mastering the art of social introductions. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial part of communication, especially in English, social introductions. Whenever we meet new people, how we introduce ourselves and respond to others' introductions plays a vital role in shaping our interactions. So, let's dive in and learn how to express pleasure when meeting someone for the first time. When someone introduces themselves, it's not only polite but also socially appropriate to express pleasure or happiness about meeting them. The simplest and most common response is, "Nice to meet you," or "Pleased to meet you." This can be used in both formal and informal situations. To sound more natural and fluent, it's good to know various ways of expressing the same sentiment. Here are some other phrases you can use. "It's a pleasure to meet you." "I'm delighted to meet you." "I'm glad to have the opportunity to meet you." Remember, it's all about conveying your excitement and interest in meeting the new person. In different situations, the introductions may vary, and so should your responses. Let's look at a few scenarios. 1. When introduced by a mutual friend or acquaintance. "Oh, I've heard so much about you. It's great to finally meet you." 2. At networking or business events. "Thank you for the introduction. I've been looking forward to meeting you." 3. In informal or casual situations. "Hey, I've been hoping we'd run into each other. Great to meet you." These responses show interest and excitement, building a positive start to your conversation. Adding a bit of personal touch to your introduction response can make it even better. Here's how. Show interest in their work or background. "I've always admired your work." "It's a pleasure to meet you." Connect over a shared interest. "You're a trekking enthusiast too?" "It's great meeting a fellow adventurer." Express anticipation. "I've been looking forward to this." "It's wonderful to finally meet you." Remember, it's always about making the other person feel valued and appreciated. That wraps up our session on social introductions. We hope you found this useful and you're now better equipped to make warm, engaging introductions in English. Remember, the key is to be sincere and show genuine interest in the person you're meeting. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of social introductions in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.